Hello Fanatics! With our review of The Glass Castle coming out, we decided to share a few films to watch if you liked it. Enjoy! Captain Fantastic is a dramedy directed by Matt Ross, starring Viggo Mortensen, George McKay, and Samantha Eiler. It follows the story of a father devoted to raising his 6 children in isolation, who is forced to enter a world which challenges his ideas on parenting. This film has similar themes, tone, and familial relationships. There is graphic nudity throughout. Little Miss Sunshine is a dramedy directed by Jonathan Dayton and Valerie Faris, starring Steve Carell, Toni Collette, and Greg Kinnear. It follows the story of a family who travel cross-country in their VW bus to get their daughter into the finals of a beauty pageant. This film has similar themes, tone, and familial relationships. There is mild nudity throughout. The Royal Tenenbaums is a dramedy directed by Wes Anderson, starring Gene Hackman, Gwyneth Paltrow, and Angelica Houston. It follows the story of an estranged family of former child prodigies who reunite when their father announces a terminal illness. This film has similar themes, tone, and familial relationships. There is mild nudity throughout. Running with Scissors is a dramedy directed by Ryan Murphy, starring Joseph Cross, Annette Bening, and Brian Cox. It follows the story of Augustin Burroughs, the son of an alcoholic father and unstable mother, who is sent to live with his mother's therapist and his quirky family. This film has similar themes, tone, and familial relationships. There is a non-graphic sex scene. Moonrise Kingdom is a dramedy directed by Wes Anderson, starring Jared Gilman, Kara Hayward, and Bruce Willis. It follows the story of a pair of young lovers who flee their town, which causes a local search party to look for them. This film has similar themes, tone, and familial relationships. There is mild nudity throughout. Hopefully you liked some of these films just as much as you did The Glass Castle. If you have any films you'd like to recommend to us or to the community, or you want to tell us what you thought of these films, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and you want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Check out our latest Film Fanatic review where we discuss the film The Glass Castle. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. And until next time, Fanatics, keep it real.